Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show or hide an element with conditions in a bubble. So for example, this one is the sign up section. I'll go ahead and click on this whole group and I'll set a condition. So come here, click on conditional, and let's define another condition. So my condition is when the current user, so this is my data source, when the current user is logged in, so I'll come here, scroll down to other operations. When they're logged in, I want to set my property to be this whole element should not be visible. They should not be able to sign up if they are already logged in. So I'll choose this element as visible and just make sure this one is toggled off. That means this will not be visible. And then we can go ahead and test it out. So I'll run it as Tom, click here on run, and then this is our page. And as you can see, it is not visible, but as soon as I log out, I should be able to see the sign up section and go ahead and sign up. That is how to show or hide an element with conditions in Bubble.